Welcome, content creators and digital marketers. Are you ready to take your social media game to the next level? Today, we're diving deep into the art of crafting compelling content that captivates your audience and boosts your brand's visibility. Let's get started. 10 tips for your social media content plan. Know your audience. Start by understanding your audience's demographics, preferences, and pain points. Tailor your content to their needs and interests to foster a genuine connection. Consistent posting. Consistency is key. Create a content calendar and stick to a posting schedule. This keeps your audience engaged and helps build trust. Quality over quantity. Don't overwhelm your followers with content. Focus on creating valuable, high-quality posts that resonate with your audience and provide real value. Visual appeal. Use eye-catching visuals, including images, videos, and graphics. Visual content is more likely to grab attention and boost engagement. Hashtag strategy. Research and use relevant hashtags to increase the discoverability of your content. Combine trending and niche-specific tags to reach a broader audience. Engage with followers. Respond to comments, messages, and feedback promptly. Show your followers that you value their interaction and are there to connect with them. Collaborate. Partner with influencers or like-minded brands for cross-promotion. This expands your reach and can introduce your content to a new, interested audience. Analytics and insights. Regularly analyze your performance metrics. Use social media analytics tools to track what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy based on data-driven insights. Storytelling. Craft compelling narratives that resonate with your audience. Share behind-the-scenes moments, success stories, or personal experiences that build an emotional connection. Stay up to date. Keep a close eye on the latest social media trends and algorithm changes. Adapt your strategy to stay relevant and capitalize on emerging opportunities. And there you have it, folks. 10 actionable tips to elevate your social media content plan and propel your brand to new heights. Remember, consistency, creativity, and community are the pillars of social media success. So go ahead, implement these strategies, and watch your online presence soar. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call, WhatsApp, email, or visit our website. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.